Welcome back. That's probably copyrighted, and I probably shouldn't have said that or sang it or whatever the hell that was. But hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Brooke Hollingsworth, and I enjoy makeup. It is some type of therapy for me. I don't know what it is, but I enjoy doing my makeup, and I enjoy learning new ways to do my makeup. So if you're into that, you can see how I did this look today using the Profusion Web of Lies palette. This is a pretty freaking good drugstore palette, and I just happened upon it one day while I was at work. I did do this video a little bit different than I normally do. I did not film doing my base face, my complexion, simply because I pretty much do it the same exact way every single time, with the exception of maybe swapping out and trying a different foundation or concealer. It's all still done the same way. If you want to know what products I use, leave me a comment and I will be more than happy to answer. If you want to see how I created this look using the Profusion Web of Lies palette, keep watching. Thanks.